वॉशरूम करा. वॉशरूम झालं तुमचं. आता मीच सांगतो तुम्ही करा. अरे अवघडलेलं सारखं नका बसू.
Hi friends, welcome. Hi friends, welcome on YouTube channel for SS Technical Services for the diesel engines. Friends, in my previous videos, I explained everything, including my introduction. However, once again, I would like to tell that for this trade, I am working since 4 decades. Apart from that, it's I have got experience more than 20 years in abroad and worked lot of European, American, Japanese, Indian diesel engines. Friends, this channel is made specially for the IT students who enroll for auto mechanic trade. And from this tutorial, I will try to explain each and everything for the diesel engines. What is the troubleshootings, how to rectify the problems, each and everything in details will be give to you in details by chapters. So every chapter is a specific topic. According to that, you have to follow and learn something. And whatever the comments or any kind of problems are there, I will try to explain in brief and in details also. Friends, engine is a mechanical component which converts heat energy into revolution. Any engine works upon four systems. Number one is electrical system. Number two is lubrication system. Number three is cooling system. And number four is fuel system. These are the basic systems works for an engine. And now, as per the norms, the government policy, it has been come into force for Bharat State Norms 3, 4 and 6. From my channel and my tutorial, I will explain each and everything details in particular slides. So friends, have a look for my all the chapters, particularly for the engines. And apart from that, the another system like transmission, final drive, brakes, steerings, etc. The everything will be forwarded to you by slide at every chapter. So friends, now you have a look for the previously I have explained all the details in every topic. So you have to just watch the basics and you will come to know what is the systems are there. So please have a look for the slides. These are the systems of engine. First is electrical, second is cooling, third one is lubrication, and fourth one is fuel system. Next one, the systems are explained in the details, slide by slide. So you have to look for the complete system, which will be explained in details. So friends, I would like to tell you that whenever any problems are there, it is related to particularly for each and every system. Next one, there are some slides are there. Please have a look and you will come to know what should be done. First of all, for carry out any kind of job, so that is very important to understand the basics. And basic is everything thing has been explained in every chapter. So this is the first chapter. It is electrical system. Electrical systems has four parts, and these are the number one is battery, which supplying voltage to entire electrical functions. Number second is alternator, which generates voltage or power while engine runs, and it is belt driven. Number third is starter motor. It drives power of 12 volts and a function of ignition switch operating in on position. Second one is cable set. These are the battery cables to provide electric supply for entire system from battery. Red wire goes to connect in positive terminal and black is for negative terminal. Red wire, red cable. It is connected to larger terminal and black is for smaller terminal. Next one is isolator switch. Isolator switch to isolate power supply from battery for safety. Prior carry out any electrical repairs to perform, please switch off the. Number third is fuse box. Various types of fuses for safe protect circuit operation of lamps, wipers, engine sensors, units, etc. Corresponding fuse ratings indicated inside the fuse box cover. Next one is combination switch. It's called a multifunction switch. It's mounted on steering column to control all the lights, wiper, horn, accessories, and can be controlled by operating manually. Number third is jumper cable. Jumper cable is useful for start the breakdown vehicle. If the battery has been discharged, so this cable can be used to start the vehicle. While carrying out, please take safety precautions. Second is cooling system. Cooling system, particular some parts are there. Number one is radiator cap. Number two is radiator, and number three is cooling fan. These are the most important parts of the cooling system. Has several functions of keeping cooling system sealed and protect from external contamination. Maintain system pressure. When coolant gets hot, raises boiling point pressure cap functions and allows to circulate hot coolant toward expansion recovery time. Number two, this is the radiator, is the heart of cooling system to maintain cooling and heating of engine. It exchanges heat of coolant and transfers thermal agency when engine runs. Fan, engine cooling fan. This is important fan part of cooling system. Mounted on water pump pulley, it circulates air which passes through radiator grill to protect and maintain cooling system from overheat the engine. Another parts are there hose pipes that is calling cooling hoses, supplying coolant to engine, column with radiator top and bottom tank. Another part is this is the main part which circulates the coolant. It's called water pump. It wrote by impeller, it passes to engine block, cylinder, head, cooling system components while engine runs. Next one is thermostat valve. Thermostat, it maintains thermal stability and temperature of cooling system. These are the basic parts of the cooling system. Another, this is the oil cooler. It is also part of cooling system. It is surplus heat of engine transfer it to the oil and passes through heat exchanger to maintain proper engine cooling. This is the temperature sensor which monitoring temperature of engine coolant and sending signals to indicate on gauge to avoid engine overheat. Another system is the lubrication system. Oil pump. Plays a key role. It supplies engine oil to entire lubrication system while engine starts. This is external gear type pump that is shaft driven, attached with camshaft, mounted on base of cylinder block. There are four types of pumps. Number one is gear and crescent internal gear type. Number two is rotor type. Number three is plunger type. And number four is vent type pump. These pumps are being used as per original equipment manufacturer's design and the specifications. For maintain the lubrication system properly, there are engine oil filters are there. There are two types of oil filter. One is element type, and now basically all vehicles having cartridge type filters. An oil filter is designed to remove contaminants from engine oil and run the moving parts smoothly to protect engine moving parts from friction, especially in high temperature. This is the illustrated filters are applicable only to OEM design of filtration systems. So these are the basic system. So friends, we'll learn lot of things from this tutorial. Whenever any any queries or any kind of problems are there, so for details, I will explain you each and everything in details. So please watch all the chapters and all the slides to understand the basic. Once you understand the basic, so it would be more easier to rectify and troubleshoot the problems. So whenever any problems are there, you can forward your comments. Your problems will be sorted out from my end in very shortest time. So thank you very much, my friends, for being with this channel and watch the tutorial chapters. So I hope you would like, if you like this, so you can share it and please forward your comments for further details. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.